State asida ising ichaw amasung Kanglup ki erangna awaba kaya mayoknariba asi yenglaga Manipur gi oiba tonganba Rehabilitation Package piba yauna Kanglup singi marakta santi oina nungsi sana na leminaba yanaba tonga long-term solution ama puraknaba hotnabiu haina ngasi Rajya Sabha gi MP lesemba Sanajaoba na Parliament ta taksinkhre MP na makhata na haikibada Manipur da hauzik tap matapna unkhatnaba gi fibam hantarakba haure loinana mahuksa gi fibam da su tap matapna hanjilakpa haure athuba matam da santi oiba waroishin ama laklagani haibagi thajaba lei masigidamak Prime Minister Home Minister Chief Minister amasung mahaki government pu thagatli hairaduna makhata na Union Government gi maikai dagi kharaga hena miting thambirabadi miting thamduna thabak tawrabadi matam chana santi purakpa ngamgani haike
peaceful coexistence in Manipur. Sir, it is now evident that the simmering tension in the state is gradually subsiding. Normalcy is inching slowly and there is hope for a peaceful solution in near future. For this, I am grateful to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji, Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh and his government for their steadfast, far-sightedness, expertise and untiring efforts in bringing a near peaceful solution in the state. However, if the Union government puts a little more efforts and with timely push, the peace process and resettlement could be quickened. People have suffered enough and they need a respite now. So, I demand the Union government for a suitable rehabilitation package, a long-term solution for peaceful coexistence